part of a tessellation is shown below. Shape one unit shape. Now, which unit shape should I shape? Actually, you can shape any one. You'll still be correct. But I have a strategy. The strategy is this. Because I know that the next part, right, will be extending the tessellation by drawing one more unit shape, right? Which means that I will go and shape the one that if I draw the next one, I will have the most space. So which one do you think have the most space? So we over here lah. Here we have the most space, right? Okay, so I'm going to shape this one. Because if I shape this one, I can just stack downwards. Okay, then this one will definitely have the most space. It'll be a lot easier. Okay, then what else? Okay, so let me just go ahead and shape this one. Okay, so over here, I already have it over here. So I'm going to shape this one. Okay, now the next part, right, will be a bit trickier because you will realize, right, okay, you need to start imagining for yourself. This is like a staircase. It's like a staircase. So it goes like this, then like this, then it goes like this, then you imagine this one also be like this. Okay, so it is something like this, 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 like this. So what do you think is the next one? So you realize that one is like a waterfall. If it's going downwards, it will carry on going downwards. Then if it's going upwards, it will carry on going upwards. So which means that here, it will stack with another one that is actually going upwards as well. So you need to start identifying all this kind of stuff. It will make it a lot easier for you. So for this one, it is actually like this, right? Which means that there should also be another one that's going upwards like this. So over here, I'm going to draw another one that is going upwards. Okay? So I shaded this one because I want to draw another one over here. And this one have the most space. Which is why they say only draw one, because they know that there's not enough space. So what am I going to do at this point of time? Once you've already identified the unit shape that you want, right? Okay? And then look at the empty space over here. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Now, draw on the existing what you are trying to draw for the new one. Draw on the existing here. Draw on the existing what you're going to draw for the new one, which is here. Okay? Then repeat. Draw on the existing again. One line. Like that. Okay? This one is draw on existing 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay? Then draw another existing here, which will be here. And then 1, 2. So 1, 2. Then here, connect it back. Connect it back. Then you're done. Do you see? Okay? So remember, draw one existing, draw one new. Draw one existing, draw one new. Don't try to replicate the entire thing. If not, it's going to be super confusing for you. Okay? Even the unit shape that you choose to shape, always be strategic about it. Because you know there's empty space here. Obviously, you're going to shape this one. Because it's going to help you. Whatever you shape is going to help you to draw the next one. If you don't do this, you choose to go and draw another one. I mean that you still get a marks lah. But whatever that you shade over here will not help you for your second portion. At least the one that I picked, right? I picked this one so that I can use this one to go and shade the other one. All these are all the guiding posts that you have to create for yourself. Okay? Done.